Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
Shop Refined finally hit 1K followers, and in my previous video I said that there will be a giveaway coming out soon. So here in the previous video I couldn't say what was in it because I was not sure if I could say it out what exactly will you be getting in the giveaway. But in this video you will be knowing what exactly will you be getting in the giveaway and how can you enter the giveaway. So first off, you have three prizes, three giveaways here: first place, second place, and third place. And each position has its own benefits. So that's not really a thing, but you know, each position has its own unique benefit as well. So I'll explain the first one. In the first position, you have 1.5k worth voucher to buy goods of Refined's platform, and you will have exclusive access to the upcoming sale, and the first position person can book up to 3 pieces of whatever they want to buy. Like, the audience won't be seeing it, only this person will exclusively get access to the sale. And after using up this voucher, you'll be getting 50% off on the next order you make in Refined. So just look at it. We just three benefits, and you have another benefit that is a surprise gift. This surprise gift, you'll definitely like it. And apart from this, we are offering free shipping for this entire thing as well as your next order as well. So the next position is the second position, of course. The second position, you get 1k voucher to use and buy goods from Refined's platform, and again you'll be having exclusive access to the upcoming sale. The audience will not be viewing it, you will be getting to view it a day prior, and you can book up to 2 pieces of whatever you like from it. And you'll be getting 25% off on the next order you make after using up your voucher. 25% off, and again you have a surprise gift. This will be really interesting, and free shipping. So the third and final position, you'll get a 500 voucher, but at the same time you will still be getting exclusive access to the upcoming sale. So in this upcoming sale, whatever piece you like, you can pick it. Nobody will get to pick that piece before you, so you have that advantage. And 15% off on the next offer after using up your voucher. At the same time, you will still be receiving this surprise gift. This surprise gift, every single person will definitely like it, and I personally like it too. And you will be getting free shipping as well. The reason I'm looking down is I have it all written down. That's how this giveaway was formed in the first place. So now I will quickly tell you how you can enter this giveaway. Number one, go up to Instagram, look up for shop.refined, follow that page, and there will be one post called giveaway. Go like that post, comment and tag 3 of your friends, and after doing this, share this post on your story and tag ShopRefined, #ShopRefined. So by doing all of this, you'll enter into the contest, and once you enter into the contest, you are valid to receive any of these prizes. Massive fucking things, man. We thought of doing actually 2 giveaways, one at 900 and the other one at 1000, but we grew faster than we expected, so we had to include a lot of benefits in one giveaway. Don't worry, I'm sure we'll be hitting another milestone pretty soon, so we'll be doing even better giveaway there. Hopefully by then the marketplace will be up and running. And yeah, so that's all for that's all for Shop Refined. And apart from that, I require some person who this person is a web developer. I require a web developer who can build a marketplace from A to Z from the scratch. I have a domain ready. I want him to build a marketplace for me. I already know what kind of marketplace I want. So I need this person who can execute this thing for me. So if you know anyone, please let me know. I'm reminding you again, I need a person, I need a web developer who can create a marketplace for me from A to Z. I already have a domain ready and I already have an idea of what I want. So I just want it to be executed ASAP. So if you know anyone, please let me know. Thank you. And that'll be it for today's video, I guess.